trying to get close to 94 area. Russell 2000 is down just shy, just kiss our night session low down. But we'll see at 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock, what Powell is saying. Mortgage delinquencies, guys, one thing remember, you will never get their forecast. Never. They don't have forecast for how many people are missing because they don't have data. So if numbers are higher, we'll see a plunge, because if payments are missing, it means the sign of economy is not good. So we'll see what will happen. But overall, right now, our S&P 500 base is up and pressure is down. That is tentative. So mostly it's coming around 10 o'clock, 10:01, 10:03. Around 10 o'clock, this news is coming. It's in yellow, not much impact, but if numbers are higher, then we'll see a big impact on the market. Guys, please take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. And remember, all these areas are not buy and sell areas or buy and sell offer. These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility for any action taken by any subscriber. I know mostly people are done. If you are done, guys, please call for the day. Otherwise, you will get caught and you will be regret. Ayaz bhai, walaikum salam. Nirav ji, good morning. Mehboob bhai, Shah ji, good morning ji. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam ji. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me.
All right, good morning, everybody. 9:41 a.m., November 9, 2023, 6:41 p.m., November 9th in UAE right now. So I'm streaming from UAE. You heard 15 minutes of short brief by Daniel, our senior trader, senior advisor, and the brain behind this all. And he comes in and gives a 15-minute report on the 10 markets, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and as a premium subscriber, you have access to this. Anybody, right now I'm doing it from TikTok, and you guys were able to hear it, but generally we don't broadcast his information on public media. Just to kind of give you a taste of what it is, all of the things we say here is only for informational, educational purposes only. We're not responsible for anybody's profit or losses. We can teach you how to trade, but we cannot trade for you. So at the opening bell, we knew there was a diversion on 30-20. I took 2 points, good enough. I do micro. I have 20 funded accounts linked. So if I make $10 on one, I actually make $200 automatically. So I was done right at 9:30. I saw the base is up but pressure is down, so I was able to replicate it. Here's my funded account. You guys can all see they're all linked. Everything is all merged. Approximately $25 per account so far. So 25 times 20. So everything is here in front of you. Some streams are delayed deliberately, so you guys can't copy trades in that sense. Here's my trade copier that is active right now. So because there is a diversion, price should go down. We're done with the unemployment claims. Next is your mortgage delinquencies. So in case if there's more people losing their jobs and not being able to keep up with the market, we are going to have some issues. So let's see, prices of areas are updated, areas are posted. So at this point the price is 4,400, so it's hovering within R1 and S1 area. So if anybody wants to go short, 44.38 would be a good number. 44.38 to 44.46, and wait for Nasdaq to hit 15,560. If you're planning to go long, let it go to expected low. 15,140 is the number for today. And let's see how it goes. I took advantage of the diversion of S&P, and things are looking good. So any questions, I'll answer meanwhile. Okay, the profit at the ATM, you can just do a Google search on how to do it on Ninja Trader, and I'll try to send you a video meanwhile how it is. So what is Nasdaq's so 43.94 is the strong support. Let's see. Right now it's inside the value area. End of the value area is 43.84. So that is your number for end of S1. So pressure is down. So let's see. What is the next move? Again, trend trade. If anybody got in at a trend trade at 44.01, it didn't hit actually exactly, because if you see, it did hit mid-band, but BBs did not hit the mid-band, so that's a gap trade if it creates a dot here. So I'm looking, my screen is showing Nasdaq as well as the top two charts are Nasdaq, the bottom two are your S&P 500. I'm on a micro. I'll switch this to micro as well. Right here, MES. And I have all my 20 accounts, all my funded accounts linked with the trade copier. So I just have to make an effort on one, and everything else should follow. So you just have to constantly check that, okay, my MNQs are all linked, my MES is all 20 funded accounts are linked, and that way, if I with the benefit of 20 accounts is, again, I just have to do an effort on one account and everything gets replicated. So target is $100 a day on a micro. Just to show you as an example, that would make me approximately well over $2,000 a day. If I'm already up 947 in last 1 hour or so, $25. I only have $75 to go, so that would make me $2,000 for today. So most traders should be done from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. That's where the market moves the most. Next big push volume comes approximately during news, or 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. Can anybody confirm audio video is okay on everywhere? I think TikTok is okay. It's just always I lose a little bit of an issue. So I'm having that number to go to. For first number is 43.88 is that number. 83, 84, 84, 85, 86. So that would put me into my S1 range, and that'll make it pretty much oversold in that sense. So that's good. So I hope this is a big diversion though, 18.5 points so far diversion. Wow, I hope somebody made the profit, and if you're done, for God's sake, just shut it down or go into micro or go into sim. Please, this was a big diversion trade. So and I try to post my trades along with you guys. Right now it's again hovering at approximately, it seems to be synced so far, so same idea, So 43.94. Let's see if it breaks that. So that was a gap trade on 1510. So we have again candle trade, trend trade, gap trade, overbought, oversold trades, diversion trade, position trading, but I don't recommend that for new traders because funded account is the way to go in 2023. And if you're new, you can start as low as free. That is free, just $15. My trial is free, super area is free for 14 days. Just test it out. Ninja is free. Everything is free. Like, what else is there to lose if you're given everything for free, guys? So one thing I have to keep repeating, there are a lot of accounts out there that have copied us and now they're posting our videos. If anybody's approaching you saying that, hey, invest with us and send Bitcoin $100, $200, whatever, like, do not respond to anything. Our first messages that come to you is, hey, everything is free. 14-day Ninja is free, super area is free, your demo is free. Nobody should be asking any money from my team. So if anybody is asking, especially crypto, can you please I wouldn't do a mid-band trade right now because look at the push right now. It's a huge 18.5 point push, so it may fail. So it's getting too oversold, so that mid-band becomes risky. So you can now look at it. It was a diversion, pressure is down, but if it gets to what price is it? So you just have to look at how big the swing is. If the swing is almost 18 points, because look, the first swing was 16 points, 16 and a half points. The big other is -7. If you add them all together, it's -19 point swing, right? So you can take a trade any candle, any time. Right now the computer is saying enter at a sell order at 4400 is a good short. Of course, anybody takes that trade, they go and they can again giving you another opportunity. But that trend trade right now is at your discretion. As long as you have a stop loss, you're okay. Because the 44.94 is not really 43.94 is not in an air. Look, there's a diversion. Now there's another alert that I made a higher high, my lower low. So you have to make sure. So you take that trend trade with very much care because you have to put a 3-point stop loss on a 4400, and if the price goes all wacko, you guys could be in trouble, right? So what is not asking, why am I not going to take that trend trade? It's okay, you can take it, but right now it's 50-50 because I see a diversion line, which means the trend may change. The two lower lows it made, the strength wasn't there. So this mid-band now is like 80-20. 80% it would fail, 20% it could pass, right? It could still pass. There's a 20% chance, but this mid-band becomes, if you enter at 4400, let's see if anybody who takes that risk versus anybody who doesn't take that risk, right? So it's right now it's 80-20 in my opinion. Because that diversion line and a big push to the downside is gonna keep me out of that trade. So you, with experience and with look, it's getting overbought over there in Nasdaq, right? So there you go. 40. It's. I'm gonna get ready for a quick Nasdaq trade. So let's take an 8-point, and I'll do a short. Because it's already gone 32 points, I'm gonna short from here. Okay, I did an 8-tick short because it got 99.61 and it's still climbing. 99.71 micro Nasdaq. Did the trade copier pick up my trades? I hope. Yeah, I did. Still stuck at 4400. So let's see. There you go. I picked up my 8 tick trend and I am out of the trade. Because every time Nasdaq pushes anything around 30 points in one direction, it has to give back, yes, 70% off new evaluations, right? Correct. They have a sale on. So I took because for those who do Nasdaq, just look at the number, 36 point in one direction, meaning there's now a diversion getting ready on Nasdaq again. So I may take a bigger, if it makes it, I may take a 16 tick trade. Let's see if it makes that diversion and comes down. I'll take a trade here, 16 tick. $16 trade I've done, and I kind of crapped out. So I took a 16 tick trade right here on that diversion on 3020 Nasdaq. I'm going to set back to none. And what am I doing on my overalls? So I have no positions. I'm up to $37 times. It's all micros, guys, just to show you the power of micros. 37 times 20 accounts. You do the math, right? So my brain right now is saying it's still 4,400 being a very strong resistance. Let's see. See, the mid-band trade, you do have to understand, you have to judge it based on, generally if it's a swing is 10, 12 points, and right now if you took every single mid-band, the hit rate is 80%. Hit rate is 1, out of 10 trades you'll do 8 correctly. Go back and check them all. Right, so you can look at just taking a trend trade is fine. Right now it's bouncing back from 43.94. That was the number given to you by Daniel, right? So Daniel says 43.94, and if anybody did a long from 43.94, you already took your 6 points, right? So it's still climbing. What is the upper number? Upper number is 15. I would look at it, 15,560 would be the number for me. Any news came? Let's see. 10 o'clock, no news right now. So let me refresh. Next time it's 2 p.m. The Fed chairman. So guys, stay away from news at 2 o'clock. Meaning that when they're going to start speaking, market can go in any direction, and if you're on a funded account, you could lose it. So not evaluation, but see, that's why that trend trade could have gone against you, because it was a huge push down, almost 19 points. Now it's going to go and try to fill the orders of 44.06 approximately. There's a diversion now, the 1510. Let's see if I can take 8 ticks, if I can. That would be good. Let's see. Done. Another 8 ticks I took. And easy. Once you can see it, that hey, there's a diversion, 4 ticks. With Nasdaq, you guys have to do ATM. There is no other way around it, because you can't keep up with the speed of it. So 8 ticks, I have my Nasdaq micro set as follows. So the way I do it is 16 ticks, 4 ticks, 8 ticks. So these are my ticks, and 80 ticks against this, because this is where I do it on overbought, oversold, or diversion trade. Just go in, hit it, get it done, get out. I have another friend that's given me a challenge that if I can pass the 20 exams of $300,000, I'm waiting for the sale to go on. The $300,000 is going to be, what is the math behind it? I think it's, how much is it? $600? Is it Apex? He's like, oh, why are you doing micro, you little coward? And I'm like, man, I do micro for those guys to show you. I'll just do real Nasdaq on a different computer just to, prove the point. No problem. That if micro is possible, so I can cater to any student whatsoever. So there. $300,000 account is $677 a month, and right now it's 71% off. So I'll be $480 off, but I like it when it goes to 90% off. So it'll be $67 per account. I will try to do that, and when I get to Canada, and I'll show you that performance as well. That whatever, look at this, my God, 432, look at my areas, guys, look at the areas. So it bounced back from our one again, right, 420, so approximately. So now it's going to make a diversion here on 3020. Take a look. 43.94. If it makes another lower low, 43.94, let it break, and let it see if it makes a 3020 diversion to the upside. Let's see. Because 1510 diversion, 12 points. Coming down from 3020 diversion to the downside, 18 points. Guys, it's 10 o'clock. If you guys have made your money, please, at this time, I would say, guys, it's good enough that you guys, let me see if I can take 8 ticks right now, because it's fallen 34 points. Oh, too late. Am I too late? Not 16 ticks, 4 ticks. Still falling. Look at this, made a diamond pattern. Let's see if I can make an 8-tick profit. Nope, still falling. Doesn't like it. Come on. Grab it. 2 ticks were done, and I'm done. 8 ticks, and I'm done. Excellent. Simple. So 37 point, if it's 30 point, I'll go 4 ticks. If it's 37 points, I'll go 8 ticks. Go in, hit and run, scalp points, get out. I don't like to hold in a trade long time. I've seen traders online, they're waiting. Of course, they're accumulating more points, but that's not my goal. You know what my goal is? 20 accounts times $100, $2,000 instant done. So what am I up to? $45 to $36. Am I in a position right now? Oh, I'm in a position right now for these two. How come they didn't close? Okay, that's the problem with trade copier. It didn't go. So I may have to now look at this number of 19. I did a long from 420, then close. So account number 19 first. Let's handle 19 first, one at a time. That's the problem with trade copier, guys. If you don't pay attention, so you will get caught in here. So I'm $1.50, so that's reasonable. So I'll do a close of this trade, $4.50. It's okay. Now these two are now my struggle. So both are stuck at 420.75 and long trade. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, flattening is okay, but now I'm stuck at 395. Let's see, I'm down 25 points on these, so I gotta now make a strategy on account number 11 and 14. Let's see, 11 and 14. Let me do a micro trade first. 11 and 14. Okay, I'll worry about these two for now. I'll take them off. It's just caught me by surprise. 9:30 to 11. That's it. That's or 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern. That's the fastest way of future market to go in, get it done, get out. I'll do a still falling. 43.96. It's making a diversion. So I gotta fix my trade copier here. That's all VACO here. So everything kinda I lost it here. And that is MNQ, same issue. Couple of trades didn't get executed. Yes, right now I'm in Ajman. I'll have a presentation tomorrow for you guys. So all right, that fell big time. It's broken 43. Right now there's a diversion created at 43.93. I will yeah, you're right. I gotta check my rhythmic. It may just be showing here, but it may not be showing in rhythmic. You're 100% right. If I see my trades in rhythmic. Am I in a position right now? Yeah, I'm still in position on, I think, 3 trades. 19, trade number. Am I in a position right now? 19 positions. View positions. I'm in a Nasdaq trade right now. I think only it's showing me, so I fell down 50 points so far, so I'm thinking of doing an average right now on account number 14 and 11. 14 and 11, I gotta do this. It's falling down big time. 14 and 11. So let's do 14. It's almost gone. It's 100 and so I'll pick up another quantity. So none here. Let's do a buy here. So now I'm 2 on here and 14 and 11. So let's do a buy here. Some 2 quantities on micro Nasdaq. So with copier, let me see what my position right now becomes. Position now became 389, 390. Good, reasonable within 14,000. So I should be okay now on these accounts. So I have to make sure I take 11 and 14 off the copier. So I take 11 and 14 off the copier. So these 2 accounts don't get. That's the benefit of micro, guys, that you can still survive. Otherwise, surviving a so So I'm getting close. If it does a full throttle back up, I should be out of the trade. So 2 trades, let's see. I'm halfway there, so I got a 74, so I gotta be out of the trade by 90. No problem. So 88, it hit the area, and now it's bouncing from the area. So I'm gonna do a 76, so 92. So first area was 94, second area was 88. So next is 74, should go up to 90. If it gets to 90, then I'm out of these 2 trades. Then I'll refocus on the other copier. Because when you're stuck in a trade, not a good idea to trade. So I'm 2 quantity on micro here, 2 quantity. All right, on top of it, my rhythmic kind of blew up. So, for which 19 account is bad. Okay, 2 positions. Okay, no problem. So let's reconnect my Apex here. It happens, guys. So you just need to know if you're stuck in a trade. So let me finish these trades first, then I'll go and input more. So 390, I'm in at 390. Double way up. So 367, so it's gotta go up to 390. So that's the problem with trade copier, that you have to know what you're doing. My account number. Why did I lose money here? 19. Why did I lose money on 19? Put this back to sim. Yeah, you can chat with me anytime. Send me a WhatsApp. I'm giving this lecture by example, guys. It's nothing to worry about at any given time. If you have any issues, I will handle. No problem. Send me a message. There's no big trader or a small trader. You do micros or you do regular, it's about your style of trading. It has nothing to do with the account. If you're gonna make money, you have bigger account but lazy skills of trading, it doesn't matter. Like, it absolutely doesn't matter. If you're not disciplined on a big trading platform or small, there's no point. I'm going to do a micro trade here, and I'm going to put a let's see, did it copy everything properly the way I want it? Positions, no, it didn't copy at all. MNQ it did, but this is sim, it didn't. Again, that's why I hate working with just one monitor, one TV at a time. You can lose so much money so fast if you with Nasdaq if you are not sure. I'll close this position. That's good. I don't need this close position. I'm close to the others. So I prefer my desktop where 6 monitors are connected for each market and copier, and I've lost $7,000 once on Nasdaq just by not looking at the position windows. There's a video on TikTok showing it, so I'm not gonna do a micro right now. So 93, I missed that trend, so I'm gonna do a long here. Let's see. Forget long. All right. Okay, almost there. I think my exit is at 391. Alright, I'm out of this stupid trade of trade copier not working properly. So I should be out of this trade any second now. So my average is not gone crazy. And then I'll do a sim trade. Come on, pull me out first, then you do your own thingy. So I can close my position. Alright, close position. Close position. Good. So I don't know, I'm back in 100% positive trades. So you see me doing an average at $100 loss. So that's a prime example of micro where you can take some advantage of running an average, but you have to do it a very calculated move. Come on, let me do clicks before you go down. Keep going up for a second. Come on, come on, come on. See, race against the machine. It's the video game we're all playing. Casino more like it, but casino video game. I missed my 8 ticks. It's okay, no problem. There'll be another opportunity. Now I should be all caught up on my micros. MES, please don't crash on me now. So I'm at 386, not a good number to do any entry. So I sit and wait. Right now I'm not in a trade. So everything is back to normal. As we started, was able to fix this glitch of trade copier, and all my accounts should be in positive. Some kind of fell behind, but it's okay. It is what it is. It's about $45 out of my $100 target on micros. So $45 times you have 20 accounts average. So $900 I'm done. Somebody else's money, and congratulations to those who are starting to get paid out, right? So if you take 300, if you think you have an expertise and trading using this software, go with bigger accounts, play with real Nasdaq, real ES. But if you're passing a $25,000 account, do micros, that's sufficient. If you have, again, there's a diversion right there, but this number I don't like, 390. I don't like this number. 390 is not falling anywhere, right? So, and we have, can I just hide this somewhere? Yeah, I'll hide it here. Okay. No problem. Yeah, sorry for miscommunication. The presentation was tomorrow and he showed up, so which is no problem. And I was 10 minutes away, and I was able to accommodate him. But real fun is tomorrow, where I'll answer. Please, anybody attending tomorrow, write down your questions, please. So is it gonna fall? No, not yet. I'm not gonna enter. 3.62%. I think market is gonna go haywire shortly. 3.37%. Let me refresh. They're expecting 3.37 and it is higher. So market is gonna start reacting shortly to this news. This is not good news for banks. And banks collapse is due more in US. Is due, guys. Interest rate is too high. So Canada, I fear 2024. People in Canada holding multiple properties, not being able to afford, they're gonna see a bit of a pain in 2024. So God bless Canada. God bless those who are holding properties. Again, speculation, the property price will go up. But if you're stuck, you should learn this skill. So make an extra $1,000 a month, the interest, and so with this skill, you can easily make it. Like, it depends. Like, I always give an example of a guy who is so well off in Canada, it's not even funny, and his target is $20 a day, so he doesn't have to smoke out of his own business. So because a cigarette costs one pack $20 in Canada, so he makes $20 on ES or MES or whatever, micro, closes the computer, right? So whether you want to make $20 a day or $1,000 a day, it's possible in futures market with no money of your own, man. Do not put any money of your own in futures market. Go funded account, please. Because futures market, unless you're in a position to have some risk, until you're comfortable. Of course, I'm never saying that you should never trade with your own money, but until you're comfortable, don't risk a single penny of your own. Just go funded account, period. But most traders should be done by now. The big push down, the 94 push, 88 number. So let's see, there's a big diversion to the upside at 88 if you look at 1510. But let's see, right now pressure is down, so I'm waiting for which number to go. What am I waiting for? 80. 80 is my number. 80 is my number. Because that would push it a little bit more towards oversold. So, and in this side I'm looking at 15,280. It has to fall more. Right now, even it's sitting at, it's not S1, it's not R1, so it's nowhere. And when things are in nowhere, don't jump in, guys. The website is, can you please explain about the funded account? Send me a WhatsApp message, I'll tell you how to join. Area code, country code 1, area code 647, then 228-0694. I am based out of Canada, Toronto, Ontario. We've been in business for 12 years in Mississauga, same office, same place, same coach, same teacher. We just started the subscription service a year, 3 months ago with Ninja 8.1, and yeah, like, so right now, no, they're not two different stocks. So right now on top two, because we don't work with time frame, we work with something called a tick. So top two are Nasdaq and bottom two are S&P. Because I'm traveling right now, I'm in Ajman, UAE, and I'll do a presentation here tomorrow. So my personal screens at home have 6: gold, then I do S&P, then I do Nasdaq, Russell, and that's about it. So, and whichever is ready for overbought, oversold, I jump in and I take my profits there. So 43.90s, again, second time tested 88. So let's see. So send me a message on WhatsApp, country code 647-228-0694. Yes, we can meet in Ajman 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. There's a presentation tomorrow, and the details are posted on our website. Website, TikTok channel, YouTube channel. It's all there. The address, the location, the timing. And there's a diversion on 1510, so I think I'm gonna try to take that. Let's see if it breaks through. I'll take it long here. Good. 1510. भाईजान थल्ले आण दियो, ये 80 दे आण दियो बाय करन वास्ते। ए थल्ले आ जाए ना, S2 पे आ जाए, फिर जरा ओवर बॉट हो जाएगी ना, सो ओवरसोल्ड हो जाएगी। 80 पे आण दियो। I trade Nasdaq and S&P in terms of the indices. Did it actually take my trade, please? Yes. That's fine. What is diversion trading? It happens on 1510, based on our custom software. We have, you can plot this anywhere. So basically when two prices make different numbers, so there's lower low, then you have, but the strength or BBs don't make a lower low, so that's called a diversion trade. So we have a diversion trade, we have a trend trade, we have a gap trade, we have overbought oversold trade. So this diversion did not get confirmed. So diversion was there, but we confirmed nahi hui. So yeah, come prepared with all questions possible, please. So in one shot I'll try to. It's unfortunate for me, but that I had to fly back, and the people in Toronto are missing me, and otherwise fortunate for people here in Ajman that they get to see me twice in one particular 360. Okay. Still falling. 80 te aan diyo bhajan. Cost is 14 days for free. 14 days for free, no cost, and then it's $10 a day monthly. Double bottom. Let's see. 370 is falling where? It's not falling anywhere. So 330 is the number. This one, and actually 280, 15,280. Let's see. 8. No, you don't have to get it or not. There's no contract. If you don't like it, just uninstall it. That's it. There's no commitment. Diversion is 1510, was diversion but didn't get confirmed. There was a diversion. What we are, the 4380 is the number that we give our own custom support and resistance point. So our S2, for like the AI has predicted, the S2 should fall in 4377 to 4380. How do you get it? Send me a WhatsApp message, area code 647, I'll do it again. Country code is 1-647-228-0694. I'll repeat it again. 1-647-228-0694, and then my team will send you an actual message pre-composed that tells you what to download, what to install, and go from there. So I'm waiting for 43.80. That would put me in a range of about S2. 43.77 will put more towards oversold. So it's a big swing, 18.5 point swing. So that's the number I'm waiting for right now. So 40. If it doesn't go there, it doesn't go there. So I don't. Great. So if it doesn't go there, it doesn't go there. I'm not that type of a guy who's just gonna put my finger into a trade until I know my prices. For example, Nasdaq, I'm waiting for, let me see, 15,330. It should be there, and even more, 15,280. That would be a good number. So 15,280 is my thingy. Still, market is in the downwards pressure. 15,350. What's the lowest for today? That's the beauty of Nasdaq. You know, if it falls or rises, it's like a rocket. Look at the mid bands on 1510, but you can't keep up. It's just too crazy. I'm gonna go along. One account? No. Because I lost some money on that account, so I gotta go. I'm holding a position. My copier active. Yeah, my copier is ready. Incoming keys are ready. I gotta take 19 off. Come to 330. I'm not in a loss right now. I'm holding a position, and I've made $45 per account times 20 accounts, $900 plus. 647-228-0694, country code 1. Because I do only micros, and I do have a trade copier in my funded account, so things are not that crazy right now. There you go, this position I gotta get out. Rest should bump. So $13, not much. Right. So my game plan is I always trade with micros, and I have 20 funded accounts. If I make $100 on one account, automatically I make 2,000. But I'm waiting for 43.80. $350 is coming. 330. Because approximately in the same range right now I am. It should hit 330 soon. Look at the swings, guys. Wow. Overbought, oversold, overbought, oversold. I like markets like today. Things are much more smoother in terms of quick in and outs. Okay, first thing you do is make sure you right click on any chart. Right now, for example, this is a 1510, this is 3020. Right click, go to indicators, go to data series, right? And take a picture of everything you see here. Take a picture of every single thing. Then right here at the bottom, you see a plus sign. So click on that plus sign, pick the instrument, let's say I want to add Russell right here. So I will add a Russell, and then I will just copy those values again, and I will just pick the chart 1510. So right here, right now this is Russell. So just wherever you are, whichever window, just click the plus sign and Russell will load. Right now this is Russell. You don't even have to actually take a picture of anything. So any chart you're in, you want to duplicate, just click the plus sign and choose the instrument and follow the same indicator. For example, I'll just do it again for you. So if I'm on a 50, look at the Russell, guys. Look at the mid bands on Russell. Hit, down, up, down, up, down. Let's see, like, this is, Russell right now. What's the Russell position? Russell is at 1715. Still, everything is coming into the S1 range right now. So 1715, but I don't think it's over sold yet. On the bayan 80 value area pe hit ho gayi hai 4385. So it's hitting the value area. So 330. So okay, it depends on what type of trade you want to take. Nasdaq, you work with 30-20. Everything else you can take a trade 15-10, no problem. 15-10 trend trade, 15-10 gap trade. 30-20 is overbought, oversold. 30-20 is good for diversion trade. So between all types of trade, candle trade is good for 30-20. You can do it on any chart, no problem. It's just a matter of what type of, like for example, ES moves smooth, you can do a trend trade on 15-10. But Nasdaq is only based on the positions, expected high, expected low. That is all. There's no other way around to handle Nasdaq. So for example, right now I'm waiting for Nasdaq to hit 330 at least, so everything gets synced. Right now, S&P and Russell seem synced, but Nasdaq is not. So Nasdaq is still, it's not in any box at the moment. So I'm gonna stay away from it. So, because one thing is, wherever Nasdaq will go, Russell will follow. So if it falls, it falls. If it rises, it rises, right? So. Congratulations, Fahad, for making $630. Please, your account is almost passed. You are at $26,218.92. You only have to get to $26,500 to qualify for $15,000. So please, but I can see one thing. Yeah, you're fine. So just start doing micros and make a few points and be done with it. Don't go out crazy with, because I've seen people lose an account, just $2 left. I've done personally stupid things when I'm so close to the target. So please don't get carried away. Discipline is the only thing important in this business. Look, it shot up, my God. Back to from 350. It didn't hit 330. So no problem, I wait. It's fine. It's gone up 30 points. I may actually take a 8 tick right from now. Come on, there you go. Got my 8 ticks and I'm out. Easy guys. With Nasdaq things are so easy. You see a 30 point tick, take an 30 points up, take an 8 tick. Right, ticks is what? $4 or $4 on a micro and $40 on a so like with Nasdaq you can make money like it's like flowing water, right? And just go in, put your hand in, and every time you take your hand out there's money there, right? So just seeing this and analyzing it, that's it. I'm not rushing. So let's see if it hits. What was my entry point here? But Nasdaq is like a fire. It'll burn you, it'll hurt you, it'll demand respect, right? So it's not, if you can't handle like respecting Nasdaq, don't get into Nasdaq. So what am I up to right now? I'm up to 47. Yeah, some accounts kind of left behind, but about 45, 47 average, 45 average.
सर थोड़ा सा ना, क्योंकि सर हमारे जो बॉस हैं उन्होंने परमिशन देनी है आपको चार्ट्स की। मैं सिर्फ मेरे पास जो एक्सेस है हमारे पास वो हमने आपका एक्टिवेट कर दिया। फर्दर जो चार्ट्स हैं वो हमारे बॉस ने करने होते हैं, ठीक है?
Look at this, got oversold, beautiful. But I'm not gonna take that because it may go towards 1.2 far. No, it's only 28 point push. So wait, no, missed it. When you miss the trade, you miss the trade. There's no. If you're doing simple rule, doing Nasdaq, do it on 30-20, do it on micro until you get a grasp of it. For ES or micro ES, 15-10 is good trend trade. Then you have your overbought, oversold trade, gap trades, diversion trade. That you pick a chart, whichever works for you. It's just where you're gonna go in there, hit and run, take few points here, take few points. See, it's 10:42 a.m. and most of you guys should be done by now. Like Fahad, you're done. Please don't touch the computer. $630, you're done, man. और तू पूरा करना है एक दिन च 765 माय गॉड तो देखा ना तो लालच नहीं ना खत्म होंदी हुणे मैं कह के हटे हैं 630 हो गए ने ते हुण भाईजान 765 कर लेने ये you still have 7 days you have to finish man don't please again not listening I just told you don't have to trade it all today and you're still going in उंगल जरूर switch देनी है फिर करंट लगेगा ही ठीक है it's okay फादर तेरा नाम ले रहे हैं रुक जाए $765 ले लेनी वापस हूं ना ट्रेड मारो माने क्यों उंगल देंगे सच $765 90 मिनट बनाने के बाद भी कहते हैं और ट्रेड करना है दिल कर रहे थे को ब्लूटूथ डिवाइस हो चपेड़ मारे तेन 765 के बाद भी नहीं हटता यार तू 765 तो वालमार्ट खड़ा हो तो देख कितने पैसे तो एक दिन $100 देंगे ने वालमार्ट और तुम पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर हो रहे हो गालियां खा रहे हो मुझसे कि $765 he keeps sending me pictures guys I don't know if you guys I can show to somebody Oh my God. कासिम भाई आपका भी 50 पर अकाउंट हो गया, $500 हो गया 10 अकाउंटों में, तो दैट्स इट. सो ठीक है सर, ठीक है. अगर करना है ना फिर सिम में अपनी पूरी करें दिल कि जी मैंने करना जरूर है ट्रेड. Again, overbought, oversold. $20 there, $20 there, 20 likes. That's last 10 minutes is $100, man. Money is just flowing. $23 trillion is just flowing. Keep going, bro, up back to 373. यार कोई फाहद उसका ऑफिस में से ना फाहद से बंद करवा दे रिदमिक. वो इतना क्लोज आ गया, 26,400 कर लिया उसने. अभी मेरा ख्याल है उसके बाद दिन पड़े हैं. तो बिलाल भाई आप भी फाहद से कहें कि उधर के इसको 765 कर लिया, लेकिन अब रुक जाए. यार आप लोगों ने my internet kind of crashed again. Nothing is moving. Good thing. Am I in a trade? I don't know. No, nothing is moving. So I think every time I lose internet, my copier kind of craps out. Yeah, exactly. So that's exactly what happened last time. So I gotta go in and recheck all my accounts for copier. So that's a new thing I learned, that every time you get disconnected from Rhythmic, your copier stops working. So there you go. So it came precisely from our areas. So 21. There you go. All 20s are linked here. All 20s are linked here. Good. Why is it not showing? Did I lose connection again? Shoot. No, it's all good. 73. I know it's fun, but I see the thing is trading should be fun. It shouldn't be stressful at all. Like there is nothing, your heartbeat shouldn't go up with your trade. You should know what's your entry, what's your exit, what's your everything. So you have to take trading very, very simple and easy and relaxed, right? Okay, sir, mera session tomorrow, Ajman, I'll for 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. I'll scream my lungs out for you guys. Any questions, any topic regarding trading, by the way, yeah. And I'll help you out. I'm not an investor. I don't take any money regardless you have $100 or $1 million. I'm not gonna trade for you. I'm gonna teach you how to trade, and I'll teach you how to trade effectively, efficiently, and I'll treat you a little bit of a discipline, what to do. And see, making money doesn't require money these days, man. YouTube is the biggest example. Put some content out, YouTube will pay you. Instagram will pay you. TikTok will pay you. So why does trading have to be different? Trading has to be same. You show them the work, you get funded account, you don't have to put a single penny from your pocket. That's it. So that's the whole goal of trading. Do not trade with your own money, especially futures, unless you know what the heck you're doing. Otherwise, you could be. So use a funded account, practice it, grow it, grow it, grow it. I should have a lot more payouts coming by the time November 15th hits, and that's what I'm excited about. And those that are failing are not failing because of my software. They're failing because of greed. I can do, and that's one thing I plan to do, guys. When I get back, I'm planning a podcast series with some of the traders that come into our office, and one-on-one conversation, right? So I'm setting up a full studio in the office there. So you guys can come and talk about the software, what you like. So putting up a proper YouTube channel discussing and bringing on traders from all walks of life, right? So from different professions, who got in, how they got in, what do they like about the software, what do they dislike. Yes, but you have to pass them one at a time. So you can buy one account when it was on $15 for one account, but you can buy one account, you can pass one account, keep parking it, or you can buy 20 accounts and do a trade copier like I do, and then if you make $5 on one account, 20 accounts, you'll make $100. If you make $100, you'll make $2,000, right? So the idea of copier is powerful, right? So this does everything. My software does cryptos, indices, forex, like gold. Doesn't matter, you name it, as long as it's working with NinjaTrader, the data is coming in, I'll plot everything for you. My software works with smart money. My software works with understanding the volume, so I've done, like, this is 12 years of knowledge gone into this software, where you just have to stare at the screen, look at the numbers, make your entry. That's it. You don't have to do any analysis. Yes, you have to pass all. So I will answer both questions together. So first question is that how do I let's say you buy one account. So first of all, go slow. I'm the type of guy who tells everybody, don't just jump in. If you're new, buy one account, $15, or it's 70% off on Apex. Buy one account, pass one account. If you like it, then buy 5 accounts, buy the trade replicator. You put a trade on one account, other 5 get copied. So you have your trade copier for that, and then once you start buying it, and then but you have to pass each one, and then you have to redeem each one. So the round one is $1,500. So what they do is, for example, if you get hired for a job, let's just put it that way, you are a very good plumber, whatever, let's pick a profession, and I want to hire you as my company full-time, and because you don't want to do your own business, which is okay. So you're a plumber, you're a good plumber, so I'm going to charge you for an exam. So you sit down and you write an exam. The exam is what? They want to see 1,500. Look, even my ES has kind of gone crazy up now. So I'm going to most likely take 1 point here and close the trade. Come on, close it. Good. And I'll flatten everything, as Qasim Bhai has said, that otherwise I'll be stuck in this damn trades. I think everything is close. Good, guys. So yeah, $45 an average, and I don't have any trades. 100% winning trades. More information. So more information is, country code is 1. I am based out of Toronto, Canada. We have 3 offices: Mississauga, Woodbridge, Malton. We have representatives anywhere in the world. USA, we have somebody who's experienced trading in our software. We have Calgary, we have Edmonton, we have Toronto, of course, myself. We have UAE. Few guys are now getting a hang of this. We can forward you to those. We have a very polished 3 individuals in UK. We have somebody in Germany. Pakistan, we are having some issues because Apex is not allowed in Pakistan. So we have somebody in India that does it, no problems. This is worldwide. Except Pakistan, we're having some issues because it's not the software, it's the people who, like Ninja doesn't allow you to open, Apex doesn't, so it's a bit of a geopolitical issue. So if you have a UAE resident, it's good for them. It's tax-free. Hey, this is the beauty of this country here. So send me how to redeem. Let's get there first. Once you are in Apex and you have passed the exam, round 2 is, again, they're gonna challenge you. They're gonna ask you $130, and you have to make another $1,500 in 10 days or more. And once you're done that, you simply you are allowed to redeem, and it's the biggest U.S. company that gave away $50 million so far. You can go on their website. It's a California-based company. They send the money through Wise. It's all legit. Best. There are 10 other companies, but I prefer the U.S. base. So that way you can you don't have to put any of your own money, and it's a win-win situation. But let's get there first, right? Let's get there, buy their one account, pass it and all, right? So but I'm here to coach you. How does the taxes work in Canada? Stupid. Very stupid tax system in Canada, because it's a social state. So everybody's paying for everybody. It's, well, by the time you're done, it's 57% of your, whether it's sales tax, income tax, corporate tax, whole life you're just paying taxes. So it sucks. Simple answer. That's why I like UAE. Hopefully I get my golden visa here. Whether I live here or not, at least, I can use UAE to do the taxes. So with Apex, what happens is, the best part about Apex is as follows in Canada. They send you an e-transfer through Wise. Now Wise is not a legitimate bank, or it is a bank, but it's not a government regulated bank. So in that case, you are on your own. So it's an honor-based tax system. So you can deduct your, Canada is honor-based tax system anyway. So they ask you to remit whatever you feel necessary is your tax portion. But it's coming into, they don't report like GFF reports, AMP reports, but that you have made some money, you have invested so much, and you have, but you can up to 7 years you can show your previous losses and don't have to worry about it, right? So I'm not an accountant. Best way is to, I'm just a software developer that likes writing software, and this is our latest item. And just understanding the markets, the financial markets, and making it easier for everybody to trade, right? Sorry, Imran bhai, just 1 second, I gotta get you reactivated. So 11 o'clock, most traders should be done. Most traders should be done by now. I hope all my listeners who are subscribers, at least, like Fahad, if you're done $756, you gotta take a break. Go out there. So start small. Don't expect somebody who's been trading for 90 days to, Fahad has been our student since March 6th of 2023, right? Today is November. If he's making $1,000 a day, he knows what he's doing. But for those people who come on board today, don't expect to make instantly $500 a day. Start small, follow the rules every day, discipline, rules, understand the concepts, and then build small, right? So I'm here every day, my team member is there. So we wanted to come up with a system where we sit with you and we guide you as the market is moving, right? So there's a lot of guys, coaches out there, they have signals coming in, buy here, do there. But we wanted to work with traders who want to take this journey and make that a full-time gig, right? You can still trade only 90 minutes and still do other, but the idea is this should replace your job for within a year. So if you're comfortable making $1,000 to $2,000 a day, you shouldn't have to do anything else in life, right? And have the luxury to roam around, and $1,000 a day is very easy here. After a year, you should be making minimum $1,000 a day. But these days with Apex, you can do $1,000 to $2,000 a day with funded accounts and with Trade Copier. 3 months if you're good. Good in a sense, discipline. Not good in a sense that No, PayPax does not pay in crypto. It pays email transfer by Wise. So there's no cryptos in any of this. It's true accounts, true money. People get paid with Wise, AHC or ACH. Before they were dealing with deal.com, now they deal with Wise.com. If this was a crypto thing, nobody would sign up on Apex. So the idea here is, there are a lot of guys out there coaching, and I have no disrespect for them. Only thing it was missing is somebody to sit with you and guide you step by step as the live stream. And we're paying quite a bit for bandwidth on our servers where you're all connected. TikTok is not that expensive, but those that are subscribing to through superareas.com, I think well over 300 members should be connected right now, any given time. With this, you can trade FTX, German markets, cryptos, indices, anything and everything. Doesn't matter. Anything and everything. Look, it hit our area. Area's got 100% filled properly. At 43.85, it bounced back up. Now you're up to 43.95. 10 points, $50 a point. I don't expect anybody to do these kind of long points, but that's $500 trade right there. First, the trial is free. We don't charge you anything for it. We don't charge you for superareas.com. There's no cost for Ninja. We want you to try this for 14 days. Because what happens is, for you to understand what is going on the screen, you're not going to have any sense of understanding when the first day you open your eyes within our universe of this trading. So if you're a trader already, you'll learn the concepts relatively fast, but we have built this program to show people who have zero experience that, hey, this is possible. So when you log in, send me a WhatsApp message, country code 1 in Canada, 647-228-0694 is my number. This WhatsApp is read by 4 people. So once you send a message, it sends an alert out to 4 people. So that then gets transferred into one of the person who looks at it, whether you're new, whether you're old member, or whether you have a history with us. So once you do that, we're able to then accommodate you, install software for free for 14 days. And after 14 days, you can walk away with it risk-free, and you have zero commitment with us. After that, if you do decide, it's $10 a day, done with month to month. And I think this could, if you're a professional veteran trader, this will make your life easier, gives you an additional bonus tool on the side. If you're a new trader and you open your eyes with our software and learn the concept, this is the easiest way to get into trading, futures trading. And we'll guide you every step of the way, broker, withdrawals, exams, funded account. And we just have one fee. We don't have a specific, we have other fees for value-added services in our Toronto office, because some people do need coaching one-on-one. So we have other junior coaches that can sit with you one-on-one session, and that is up to you to purchase. It's a completely optional thing. And but 12 hours of videos will give you enough information to get you started. So I'll repeat the number. Yes. Country code is 1. Keep saying area code because, sorry. So we are in Canada. Country code is 1. Then 647-228-0694. 1-647-228-0694. And come tomorrow, if you're coming in Ajman, I'm here. I'll guide you through every step of the way on how to do it. So that way, 390. It's for everything, position trading, intraday trading, it's anything and everything. You don't have to use it for one particular type of trade. It works with everything possible. .33 push, 37 push. To a trade here. Again, it kind of crapped out, didn't do all my down, still left. 5s, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in queue. Left all of them. Okay. Let's just create. This trade copier is gonna drive me insane. .38 push. It depends on if you do micro or if you do. It's all really relative to your trading style. If you do micro, you can do a little bit more. If you do so, it's all relative. But generally, we expect everybody to make $100 a day minimum. Again, trade copier crapped out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts I gotta do. Which 8 accounts? 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 to 9. Then copy properly. To 9. Now all of them should be copied. Good. All 20. Okay. I'll close this and I'll flatten the position. Back up to 4404. So 4409, it should be a good subscribe is 14 days for free, then it's $10 a day. So $300 a month for Canadians, it's 300 plus HST per month. For everybody else outside of Canada, it's 300 USD per month, so $10 a day, because all the currencies are in USD, your profit and losses in USD. So see, I'm gonna let it go to over 44.12 would be a bit safer, but 44.9 it should get overbought, because right now overbought is 87.04. So does it require training? Yes, we give you all the videos and everything on how to use it, every single thing. It's 12 years of experience narrowed into 12 hours, and then you kind of we give you all the training and everything, so no problem. But see, 1510 is irrelevant. I'm looking at 3020 and waiting for it to get overbought. Right now it's at 87.04. And just about to hit the guardrails, so things should come down soon again, because it filled in all the sell orders right now. So it should start to come down anytime, but our areas for target R1 is Right now it's been bouncing between again R1 to S1. So it went down to 43.85. Let's see if it goes to 44.12. So okay. No, you get training when you start the trial right away. There's no training after the fact. Of course, there's a continuous learning. We'll answer any questions as you like. But the idea is that you have to start training right away. So within 14-day trial, we'll get you set up. All right, let's see. It's hitting approximately R1 area for both 44.09. It's 88.2, so let it get overbought more. It came down from 43.85 S1 to back to R1. It is touching the value area from yesterday. You see the yellow line 3020, it tested 43.85. That was the value area at bottom range. Now it's testing the value area for top range. So let's see, 44.09 would be a good number. Now market has calmed down. 11 o'clock, the rush is over from 9:30 to 11. Now the big volume will come around to जी माशाल्लाह ताहिर भाई 1 2 3 4 5 6 accounts, and you're doing so well, man. You are, congratulations. You're gonna withdraw like $10,000 from them. Did you get your first check yet? If you, that would be awesome. Okay, let's go get ready. In action. What is the price? Okay, 44.02 still, not 5. So let it rise more. They said 10 days to process. Well, but everybody's looking. You're the number one guy who started with the Apex campaign. So yeah, so you should start the training. Log in, and there are 5 videos to explain few concepts. So start with the training software and then go from there. I'm going to get my copier ready. Where's my copier? File, new copier. Yes. Yes. $19 account. What is happening with 19? I gotta do some rapid trading here. मैं जी वीडियो बना दूंगा आपके लिए उर्दू में, नो प्रॉब्लम. Sorry, I didn't get your question up there. The area is given is just, it's a buffer, right? When you have a little bit of you require a bit of a buffer before you go ahead and precisely predict it. So we predict two values, 1 and 2 altogether. So we have to, it's not a one value altogether. So it's two values given that, hey, this is where it should do certain things. I think I'm gonna stop it. Alright guys, 11:30 a.m. I gotta it's 8:30. I gotta go out for dinner because my flight is Saturday morning, so hopefully I'll connect you guys in Ajman soon tomorrow. So looking forward to see you there. So I'm gonna take it a little bit early break today. So we'll do a stream tomorrow from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. tomorrow, and then back in Canada. All right, take care guys. See ya.